Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a Peruvian classic called the Chirulin. We're going to start off with 0.25 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed, oh my goodness, grapefruit juice. That was a little aggressive. 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup, and 2 ounces of Pisco. Once we have everything in the shaker tin, we're going to add our ice. Maybe.
What you doing down there?
I'm fighting with ice cubes. That's what I'm doing. Once we've got those in there, we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand.
I think I'm kind of a pro with that left hand there.
Tough times, man. Tough times.
I guess.
Lost my glass. Okay.
Get this blue. Oh my goodness. She's throwing things.
All right. In our rocks glass, we're going to add a BFC. And then we are going to double strain over our cube. Oh, she's so pretty. Anywho, okay.
Look, yeah, do the garnish, man.
Sorry. All right, for our garnish, that's why you use a BFC, because it's a slow dilution, estúpido. Anyway.
Not the way I drink.
Someone has a problem.
Whoa.
All right, my poor garnish, I was a little rough with it. So we're going to just give it a nice little twist. We're actually going to insert it right into the cocktail. Ooh, stay.
Yeah.
Stay. I win.
Are you fishing or?
See, I caught a cocktail.
Oh my god.
Hee hee. Okay. All right, and there we have our Chirulin. Chirulin.
Bless you.
Chirulin.
Bless you.
Stop it. Otherwise, I'm gonna sneeze for real. Chirulin. I looked it up. All right. Of course, I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. We're going to rate it. 1, I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we landed. I smell a lot of the grapefruit, but I also smell the cinnamon. Interesting. I definitely taste more of the cinnamon than anything. But like, I can't really distinguish between the grapefruit and the lime. Like, it just tastes like citrus. And then cinnamon that's been diluted. I don't know how else to explain it.
Soft cinnamon.
Soft cinnamon, sure. Like, it's not harsh. It's a very lightly sweet cocktail. It's not dry, it's not harsh, there's no bite to it in any way. It's very easy to drink. I'm confused by it for sure. I don't know. I'm so lost and confused on this one. I'm gonna give this one, I'm gonna go 2.5 out of 5. I don't know why you'd be making that face. I'm gonna go 2.5 out of 5. I do think I would have a second one because this cocktail does kind of befuddle me. But then I don't know if I would have another one after that. Just because, like I said, it's just, I'm not quite sure what I taste. It's balanced, but I don't know with what. It's citrus and cinnamon. I don't know.
Perfect. And Pisco.
And Pisco.
I was like, wait, what's the liquor?
I know. So that's what I'm going with. I'm going with a 2.5 out of 5 for me. But I want to know what you guys think. The ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. And then I will see you all at the next pour. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be making a face over there. Shush.
Gotta have a sign at point too.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.